She's very tall. See, she's almost crossing you. We're here with our celebrity Helen. Tell me where is it from and how much is it and do everything.
Okay, I got it for Amazon. Okay, it was so cheap. Guess the price. Guess.
900. 900.
Yeah, 100.
Huh? 900.
100. So yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Wait, so much is that?
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
So yeah, do Aegyo advertisement.
She did Aegyo though.
Aegyo, guys. She can do Aegyo.
Queen of Aegyo, she's very Aegyo-ness.
I'll do it. But then wait, it's so cringe. Okay.
Jasmine, Yellow House of Class 5
So
Kilos.
this beer. So this become a your vlog, the lead for the vlog.
Yeah.
And,
I took over the vlog
and this
and I
is
took
me.
over the whole entire
And
country,
this
the
is
whole
me.
entire check out.
Yeah, I got this from Amazon too.
Oh, I saw it.
Yeah, it was from my Amazon bag. Okay.
Okay, I know.
I bought it and it was so cheap, like $1,000.
Please report as a victory.
Wait, I have our require. So let me show you guys how to get it.
Let me hold it for you. Let me hold it. Say yes! She's a big girl again.
So Kumala will now do the water dance. So I'm short so okay, so this one from this here. This one with a picture, guys.
Blue House of Class 6B. Please report as a
Yes.
Go girl.
What's inside my bag? Do some fake for that acting.
Okay. Oh,
She has ADHD. She forgets okay what she's doing.
guys, I'm acoustic.
Yeah.
What's in my bag?
Yeah, what's in your bag? You forgot.
Okay.
Take for a look at this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I have the Dior perfume.
Wow!
I love it so much. It smells like
Huh?
Then I have mascara.
Oh!
Then I have everything from Chanel and Gucci and Dior. Yeah, I'm a very but I love Dior because Dior is
All the pink girls left
yeah, Dior is pink and I'm pink. Actually, my name was supposed to be pink, but I don't know why.
ADHD, bro.
But she's so cute. Okay, I love Pete so much. She's so cute. Woo! He got second too.
Kalau siya always trying to say, wow.
Oh. I'm gonna take over the vlog now. I'm gonna take over the vlog, so come on.
Yes.
So, hi everyone. I'm from Bosco and
Good. Captain, Yellow House Captain.
We have only 45 minutes left. After that, we'll go for
Oh, the
break.
twirl, I forgot. Do it again.
And after break, we'll start the common items.
Yeah.
People
Aegyo!
to hurry up.
I don't
And please
know.
not before 12 o'clock.
Okay, let's do poppy pop. Poppy pop, poppy pop, poppy poppy pop, poppy pop.
let's all do Okay guys, I'll be leaving for now. And until then,
Yeah. So hi, I'm back. Let's go. Oh wait. Actually, it's very hot and I want to give up, but then I won't give up until the obstacle race is here because I want to do obstacle race. And yeah, I've been selected actually like second, but it was just selection, not a first, second, or third. And then we took a 4 and I'm playing in it and I'm in it to win it. Yeah, we're in it to win it, but we're different houses, but we don't mind being friends. We're like best friends. We're the best friends. Hey, the monkey, say hi, please.
Hello, bye.
Okay, good. Check this out, guys.
you see this? What is this? This is food.
Chip it, chappa, chappa.
Dubi, dubi, daba, daba.
Can you hello? Your name is? Joalo. Juyo lại được Juyo. Show us your certificate, please. I'm sure he wants something. You want anything? It's fine. No. Look at me drink. He plays basketball, I guess. Yeah. Laka. So I guess, guys, we'll be ending our vlog because it's been so late, almost like, excuse me, almost like 2 hours, I guess. So I guess we'll be handing over it to father because he said that he wants it short and he needs to edit it. So I have to give it. Look at my badge. Look at Lima and me go to give father the cam. So guys, let's end the vlog. We're having very good time. So we'll be ending our vlog here, guys. I don't know if I'll ever see you guys again, but if we get to see each other again, we'll see you during any occasions.
Bye guys, see you in my next video.
And please subscribe, comment, like, share. Our friend Lima is a girl.
Bye.